This is how I made the LTKC map. But this may include exporting the video once, so just letting you know if you export your videos or not. Get your video, then set your pitch to +1, and then just add color inversion, then just export it. Then once you're done doing that stuff, set your filter to B37, the blue filter. Then go to adjustment, brightness +5, constant +21, and selection 100. Oh, and the gain to 10. Then go to effects and click on color changer, color offset 360, the hue -180, and saturation 100. That's basically it. Enjoy!